Ever wondered who's giving Spocket a run for its money in the world of dropshipping? If you're a budding entrepreneur looking to dive into the lucrative world of e-commerce, you've probably heard of Spocket. It's a popular platform that connects online sellers with reliable suppliers worldwide. But as the e-commerce landscape continues to evolve, new players are emerging, each with its unique strengths and offerings. Key competitors and their unique selling points. Let's explore some of the top competitors that are giving Spocket a serious challenge. Alibaba. Giant of the industry, Alibaba is a behemoth in the global wholesale market, offering a vast array of products directly from Chinese manufacturers. Direct sourcing. This platform allows you to source products directly from suppliers, often at lower prices. Customizable products. You can negotiate deals, customize orders, and build strong relationships with suppliers. Siege Dropshipping. All-in-one solution, Siege Dropshipping provides a comprehensive suite of services, including product sourcing, printing on demand, and fulfillment. Strong fulfillment network. They have a robust fulfillment network, ensuring fast shipping times and reliable delivery. Dedicated account managers. Siege Dropshipping offers dedicated account managers to assist you with various aspects of your business. Printful. Print-on-demand powerhouse. Printful specializes in print-on-demand products, allowing you to create custom designs on a variety of items like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. High-quality products. They prioritize high-quality printing and materials, ensuring customer satisfaction. Easy integration. Printful integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. Salehoo. Curated Supplier Directory. Salehoo offers a curated directory of reliable suppliers, helping you find the best products and vendors. Market Research Tools. The platform provides valuable market research tools to identify trending products and profitable niches. Training and support. Salehoo offers training resources and support to help you succeed in your dropshipping business. Choosing the right competitor for your needs. When selecting a competitor to Spocket, consider the following factors. Product niche. If you're in a specific niche, look for a platform that specializes in that area. Pricing. Compare pricing structures, including product costs, shipping fees, and any additional charges. Customer support. Reliable customer support is crucial, especially when you encounter issues or have questions. Shipping times. Fast shipping times can significantly impact customer satisfaction and sales. Product quality. Ensure that the platform offers high-quality products to maintain your brand reputation. While Spocket remains a popular choice for many dropshippers, it's essential to explore other options to find the best fit for your business. By carefully considering the factors mentioned above and leveraging the unique strengths of each competitor, you can make informed decisions and build a successful online store. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.